Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome to my channel. I'm back with another valuable video, guys. So guys, this is my first video in 2023. You know what I'm saying? Only free Telegram group members, they knows, you know what I'm saying? I've been spending 2 weeks in a holiday because, you know, guys, 2023 we did a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? We've been focusing so much in the market, you know what I'm saying? And 2024, I promise you, we're going to do more, you know what I'm saying? And if you've been following this channel 2023, I know you did learn a lot from this channel. So I promise you guys, this 2024, I'm going to share a lot of tips with you guys, special beginners, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm getting these questions a lot. Beginners, they're asking about, they want to learn. So guys, all I can say to you, for sure, I promise you guys, I'm going to share many content with you guys on this YouTube channel. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, because I'm here, guys. I'm back almost video every day, guys. I'm going to give you guys the videos almost every day. And if you're not in the free Telegram group, please make sure you join, because I'm going to be dropping many trading ideas, and it's going to help you learn a lot, because you can do things as I do. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I send the chart in the free Telegram group, all you need to do as a learner, if you want to learn how to do it, you have to look at the way I'm analyzing the market. Also, you can do the same. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you join the free Telegram group, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? FX Tuber Snipe, you know what I'm saying? You will find me on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere. 2024, guys, we're going to do the most, you know what I'm saying? And it's going to be fire, guys. Fire. And make sure you follow me for sure. You're not going to lose. You're going to win a lot. And this year, guys, our dreams are going to become true, you know what I'm saying? Guys, I know it might not be easy, especially if you're starting the Forex business, but all I can tell you, just stay consistent. Keep learning, bro. You're gonna recover your time back for sure. Trust me, your time, you're gonna recover it back. Just stay consistent. Don't give up. Keep pushing. Keep learning. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna start to make it for sure. So I'm actually here by the mall. I wanna buy something small for my computer, you know what I'm saying, because I'm coming from holiday. So I broke something, you know, so from my computer. So I'm here. I'm gonna go get it, and starting from after tomorrow, because tomorrow I will need to have some rest as well. But I think starting from Thursday, guys, we're going to trade NFP on Friday. I'll make sure, guys, I give you the strategy that's going to help you to make money in NFP. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to have like a NFP strategy, you can check my previous videos. I know I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. That's why when the NFP is about to happen, a day before NFP, I always make sure I remind you guys the strategy to use in NFP. So stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, guys, on this channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Give me that energy, guys, for sure. Let's work together. Let's do this together, guys. When you hit that like button, when you comment below, you let me know what you want next, and then I'm gonna do it for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go get what I'm here for in the mall, in the shop. And then I'll see you guys soon. And as today, guys, it's very hot today, so I'm thinking of going to the beach, because just to have some hair fresh, you know what I'm saying? Peace, guys. I can't wait, guys, to start sharing the knowledge with you guys. I've been missing you so much, for sure, you know what I'm saying? Do you think so?
If it's to plug in today, then this will work. Because that is the aux cable. That's what it's made for.
How much is this?
180.
Alright, let me check something else. Then I'll take this one. Alright, I got this one right here. So I got this one right here. This is what I was looking for. So yeah. So I won't do the videos. I won't do the video because I won't have the voice. The voice doesn't go through, you know. But since I got this one, now I'm ready to go. Okay, so let me find something else. So I got this one right here. This is what I was looking for right here. Now I got it. I'm happy. I'm happy since I got this one. Let me see if I can have something else. Yeah. So as you can see, I got this one here, and I got this one here. And I'm saying these three. And this is what I got. What I'm saying. Yeah. So let's go. So we ordered at the beach, as I said, that I'm about to go to the beach. This is time to enjoy the weather right now. You can see, guys, there's too much vibe over here.